Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to do this effect, which is absolutely awesome, it's going to bring your videos to the next level. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about putting text behind a person. So let's dive in. So we've got a video now in our timeline. We're going to go over at the bottom. We're going to click on the edit tab. Now, once you've clicked on this edit tab, you'll see that your video is here on your timeline. What we want to do is hold in Alt on our keyboard, and here we want to click down and we want to drag this video, and essentially this will create a duplicate video. We can now just click again and drag it up so that it is in the video 3 track. All right, our original video is in video 1, leaving a space open. Now on the left hand side of the top, we're going to look for effects and toolbar and look for titles. Now here you're going to add a title, and here we can just put it in over here by video 2. Now for the moment we're going to just leave it to the right hand side. We can now define the properties of the text on the right hand side. So make sure that the text is selected. Now let's get back to our video. What we need to do is select the very top layer that we duplicated, and again we're going to go over here to the left hand side and we're going to look for open effects. We're going to click on open effects, and here we are going to type in 3D. Now you will find a 3D key here, and this is under the Resolve effects key. So what we need to do is click on it and drag it and lay it on top of this entire video. This means it embeds into the video. Now on your player, you will go right here to the left, just beneath your player, and you'll see a transform icon. Here you want to make sure you are clicking on Open FX Overlay. Now this will only work with certain videos. It really depends on the contrast in color of the subject versus the background. So what we're going to do is click down and we're going to start drawing around this area, and the background needs to be entirely black. As you're drawing here, you'll make sure that your background is black and your subject is in white. Keep on drawing until we're happy. And this is something that you're going to have to play around with so that you can see how it works. What we can do now, just to double check, is go to video 1 and just disable the track. You will see what it actually looks like, and let's put it back on. Now we can click down on our text. Let's move it over here, and as a result, this is what it will look like. Now if you want to learn more DaVinci Resolve tips and tricks, you can go ahead and check out our channel. We've got tons of awesome content. So we'll meet you over there. Peace out.